I'm learning 3D software for Minecraft animation in 2 weeks. Wish me luck, because this is gonna be tough. So I first opened the software that I installed a few years ago. I never opened it until now. What the heck? So as I learned the program, I need to come up with an idea. So what was I first planning is to have a chest, and Steve go to that chest, and Creeper explode behind him. And now I'm testing the features in software, and I didn't really expect it to be so good. And I later watched few tutorials on how to make better lighting or how to move camera and so on. And for first step I made Steve walk, then I animated the hands, and now I need to animate how Steve opened the chest. And then I put on some background music, because it's better to work with music in background.
This is where it stops. This is where it ends.
And now I need to animate the reward on chest and Creeper who comes behind him. First I thought to put something rare in chest, but then I realized it will be a lot more fun if I put something worthless like poisonous potato.
Day 2.
On day 2 I put some background, camera movement and shading and lighting. And I don't know why, but for some reason everything just crashed. But when I was recording, I recorded an animation, and only problem is it's low quality. So from that low quality I will make edits that looks like it's from old television, like old video or something like that. And finally I make credits and check if everything is alright. In background of the credits I add some of my nice Minecraft buildings. And I am finished. And this is finished version. Let's just skip the credits. Also, this was an old version, so I should download the new one. Oh, I just downloaded the wrong version. This is the one. And now for the real animation, I need background. This animation will be fight and background will be arena. And I built whole arena in just half an hour. I use WonderWaves for the floor and make only one part of the stage, which I'll copy and paste for the other sides. Some of the blocks didn't made it because of the version, so I needed to recreate some of the blocks. At the start for intro I use very well animated camera movement. Then I make my character gnome called Shamsa to make walking animation. And then I make him look around and see where he is. And he continues walking. Then I make walking animation upwards. For some reason it was a little buggy, but I made the camera so you can't see the buggy parts.
Day 3. The fight.
Then I made skeleton and fully animated bow. Then I make my character bob the arrow with his sword. Also I changed the texture because it looks a lot better. Then I make Shamsa throw his pickaxe on skeleton like boomerang. And when it comes to him, he made it on fire with flint and steel. And it blows Creeper up. And because I can't split flint and steel, because flint and steel is only one item, I use iron helmet and squash it. Then I made Creeper look at his death, and then part of the Creeper fall on camera, and it made transition to Shamsa.
Day 4.
I searched for some items to use, and then tried to replicate real life movement. And I made him kick zombie, with zombie being made out of Lego pieces, and then go down to gather the energy, prepare to punch, and punch the spider from underneath, like an anime move. Then jump on cave spider like Super Mario, with sound effect from Super Mario. Then made silverfish wander around. He sees the silverfish and made 360 while jumping to shoot them with bow. I again used well animated camera movement and made this epic scene. Then I put camera to look like it's first person, so you can see from his perspective. I reanimated some bugs in 360. I made 360 a lot better than before. Made silverfish animation, copy pasted everywhere. And how he shoots him with a bow and animation of dying. Also I made camera transition for every silverfish. Then the cool landing. I also wanted to add a trident because it looked cool. So I had the team pick up the thrown Trident and throw it back at ground. That was the hardest part of animation, because for it to look cool, I needed to do things that looks bad off camera, so it only looks cool on camera. And here's few pictures. So I made ending and check if everything is alright, and reanimate every part that I don't like, and then edit, and then BOOM!